What's good, gang? Welcome to another backtesting session. My name is Ozzy. Today we're gonna backtest 2 weeks worth of data on NQ. The data we're gonna backtest is 2022 March. So let's lock in. This session is also for free members. Just to give y'all a sneak peek of what y'all can expect if you decide to join premium. I'm doing these backtesting sessions pretty frequently, 4 or 5 times a week, I think. And in my opinion, they're packed with like information and education and stuff. I also do answer questions about trades, about concepts, about psychology, about anything. All right, let's get this shit started. First things first, we have news at 10. So PMI, let's skip to 10. Okay. We have data highs. Let's see. Okay. We tapped into this 15-minute fair value gap. Oops. Fair value gap. We have a CSD that we tapped into as well. I want to see some rejection off of those. Low, high, low. Okay. That's an SMT of those lows. Low, high, low, low. Put out the FIB. Barely tapped into 1.5. Okay, though, if this will hold, I'll take it. Okay. We got a nice rejection off of this. We have a 15-minute CSD, 15-minute fair value gap that we tapped into. Pretty sure there was a no, never mind. I thought there was a 1-hour order block. There is a 4-hour order block we tap into, so it's nice to keep in mind. We'll take this to data highs. Low, high, low. This data highs is also the top ABS. We'll go break even at this internal high. Confluence for the trade, pretty simple. Also, I'm pretty sure we did tap into OTE, or at least equilibrium of this range. See that. Yeah, OTE as well. Yeah, let's just take this, see how it goes. Also, I'm gonna trade this with 2%. I'm choosing a risk parameter, which is 2%. I'm gonna stick to that for the rest of the session. Let's break even. Let's also take out 50% of our position. Maybe draw a stop loss if we can get a swing low. Let's keep that there. Okay, that's full TP. Didn't even Didn't have to show my stop loss. Yeah, instant delivery to the upside. Data has taken. Data has pretty strong drawn liquidity. Yeah, I mean, after we inverse the fair value gaps in this leg, it was pretty obvious that we would go higher up. Also, with this momentum close above these highs, was a pretty nice trade. Any questions about this trade? Data highs is highs of news. Yeah, it is. But you decide to draw the FIB to determine OT, just the most recent range. If you want to take a trade, the most recent range, which is this one. If you want a continuation model, at least. Little FVGs. I didn't mark out any fair value gaps. This is just we have a 15-minute fair value gap here. I just marked out the high of the fair value gap, and a CIZ means changed in state of delivery. So change in state of delivery is this. We have liquidity that we swept here. Any type of liquidity, albeit a fair value gap, highs, lows, I don't know. You have an order block here. The order block gets disrespected. Order block turns CISD, acts as support. Let's wait for 10 a.m. news. I'm wondering. Depends on the news, to be honest. But lately, news hasn't been hitting the same as before. The answer of 1 minute displacing closure after SMTs. Yeah, most of the time I do. No, I don't use inverse fair value gaps as entry. So you entered without. So you entered without 1 minute fair value gap and entered without awaiting the reaction of the bearish fair value gap. Yeah, I did. It was a FIB you drew out on a breaker. So my model is ABS. I place my Fibonacci tool on the B leg of the breaker. So A leg is the high, B leg is the low, C leg is the higher high, D leg is the lower low. I place my fib on the B leg, so from the low to the high. ABS is anticipatory breaker strategy. So when we have fib, you can see where price will reject. If price rejects off of 1.5 or 2 standard deviation, you can hold on. You can expect a reversal at that point. That a breaker. So we have a hold on. We have a high. We have a low, high, lower low, higher high. So low. Breaker consists of 4 legs: low, high, lower low, higher high. Oops. Higher high. This is a bullish breaker. Low, high, lower low, higher high. Okay, let's continue. We have 10 a.m. news, so let's wait for that. 2020 news, 2022 news is pretty volatile. Or not. Whatever. What was this news, by the way? Oh, that was PMI or something else. Just Fed. Okay. The sweep liquidity? No. Loki did though. Okay. Take a look at the 1 hour. Shit is unreadable. Filled the NWOG. NWOG is new week opening up. Holding this 1 hour. TSD. Holding the 1 hour. Okay. Like to be bearish here. Okay, taps into the 1 hour CSD. I'm gonna SMT at the top, high low, SMT high low low. Okay. The fuck is this song, bro? Hold on, I'll change it in a little bit. Equal lows right there. 15-minute. Let's see. God damn. Fuck this song. Okay. No 15 minutes that are on top. Inverse this hourly, tap back into it. We are in the hourly. Okay. This range. Tap back into OTE, optimal trade entry. What's the daily profile look like? Okay, London reversal, New York continuation. So, fair bias. I'll take this. Sure. Hold on. High, low, high, high. This would be your breaker block. Place the anticipatory breaker block. The short. Good rejection candle. We inversed this 1 minute in the process. New York, London reversal, New York continuation. So that means that we need to target London lows as final target. Okay. London lows. %2. Okay. Low break even. Break structure. Oh, never mind. This should be market structure shift. This is break structure. Yeah, I'll take out 50% of my position here. I'll start trading my stop loss once we hit 1.5 standard deviation. You will leave an SMT at the lows. No, doesn't look like it at least. No, we did. Okay, just because we left an SMT at the lows, take out another 50%. I'm in with how much? How many contracts? 2 contracts, okay. I'll leave a runner without trading stop loss because I could see some movement to the upside. Hold on. No SMT, no internal SMT at least. Still holding the external one. Our final line of defense is this breaker block, this bearish breaker block. See if it will hold. And it doesn't. Okay. That's crazy. Any questions about the trade? No, I don't live in Tunisia. I don't. How'd you rate this setup? A minus. A minus, B plus. Is there an SMT at the top? Yeah, there is. Here and at the bottom as well. That's why we reject it so sharply. Okay, go over the confluences. Yes, sir. Okay, we have a high, low, higher, high. I expect it to go lower just because the anticipatory breaker strategy tapped into 1 hour CSD, left an internal SMT, had a run higher up, tapped into the OTE of this small range, had a market structure shift, entered off of that market structure shift. We also had equal lows on 930 wick, somewhere here. 930 wick. And also I forgot to mark this out. High and low, B leg. Mark that out. You'll see we started rejecting of the 1.5 and 2 standard deviation. Yeah, I'll check it in a bit, TK. Or Matthews, but time frame SMT is optimal. Really depends. Okay, go over the exact FIB numbers. I'll send a screenshot. Oh, okay. Let's continue. 10 a.m. news. Okay, crazy news coming. SMT. Huh. Okay. It's like AMD. Still some low resistance liquidity here. I don't know. Let's put SMT there as well. Okay. Just gonna dump a retracement. Okay, this is crazy. This is actual crazy. It's 11 already, so. Let's go to PM. Let's try to trade PM. Okay. Let's go to 2 p.m. actually, 3 p.m. Okay. Some model I've been cooking up is trying to cook up with 3 p.m. See. Oh, by the way, any questions about like anything? Times do I trade? 9:30 to 11 and 1 p.m. to 3 at the 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Any time frame. 15 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute, doesn't matter. Day is this? I don't know. This is Thursday. Okay. Let's continue. We have to skip to 20. It's a bearish day, right? Yeah. Bearish day. So would mean we'd have to look for shorts. Low. ES took 3 p.m. highs. Left some SMT right there. Those are 3 p.m. lows. Relatively equal lows. Lowers this liquidity. Accumulation, manipulation. High, low, higher, high. 1.5 standard deviation. Bearish breaker block. And I see one good rejection candle. Okay. T. Okay. Huh. Weird. Okay, let's take this. Confluence footage trade, ABS, 3 p.m. model. 3 p.m. model consists of like data collected. The data shows me when lows and highs of the 3 p.m. candle are most likely set. This works on like a open, high, low, close phases, so power of 4. So open, high, low, close. I'm looking for shorts just because we're in bearish. We have a bearish like day. You can see the daily candle is red. So I'm looking for shorts. I'm either waiting for an SMT with 3 p.m. highs or a rate of 3 p.m. highs. No, in this case, we have an SMT with 3 p.m. highs. We also have accumulation, manipulation to the upside. We're going to distribute down. This basically power of 3. Also have ABS framework, high, low, higher, high, rejection of the 1.5 standard deviation, lower, low. Yeah, that's basically it. Let's take this. Okay, let's go break even there. Take out 50% of our position. That's me. Your final target should be 3 p.m. lows, but 1.5 standard deviation isn't too far away. Show our stop loss just because we took 3 p.m. lows and price action can be on some fuckery. OTP. You can see perfect rejection of the 1.1 standard deviation. Shot higher up, back into the order block, not order block, breaker block. Expected that, and we went lower. And of course, the 4 p.m. macro places higher up because we took the objective of the 3 p.m. model. Any questions? Should I trade past 11 lunch? No, you shouldn't. You should not, unless I mean you can trade 11 a.m. if 10 a.m. generates liquidity. So if 10 a.m. is choppy, then you should look into then you should look into trading 11 p.m. Like today, 10 a.m. was choppy as fuck, so I traded. At least I tried to trade 11 p.m. Got loads of break evens. So. So ABS is just break you're waiting to form and tap into. ABS is basically that. Entry time. Hold on. I lost. Entry time in the 3 p.m. macro you made. After, like you should enter after 321 because that's when the high or low gets made most of the time. But you can also get in earlier if you have the right conviction, because it's data, it's based on averages, it's not set in stone. Do you know when or if Patty? I don't know, to be honest. PM sessions start at 2:30? No. PM session starts at 1. Price closes above 2 standard deviations. Is ABS invalid? It really differs, to be honest. But most of the time, yes. Most of the time it's invalid, so I'd avoid trading by 321. It's based on the data I collected. I got broke even by a tick today, bro. That was 11 a.m. trade. Yeah, I got 5 break evens today, bro. Like everyone got break evens today. Do you journal? I do. Which mentorship does ICT explain ABS? I think it's Advanced Breaker. Somewhere in 2022 or 2023, I'm not sure. But he does explain it. Something called Advanced Breaker. You always wait for news. You always wait for news even if there are none. How could I wait for news if there's no news? Often were you trading when you first started? Focusing more on charts or studying? I was focusing on the charts at first. Nah. Krabs, you already know the model, so it's not worth it for you. Just take these trades quicker than you do testing. No. Not really. Okay, let's continue. Like if there's no news, no trade. No. If there's no news, I'll trade. You mark the ABS at the body of the last, yeah. Because I don't know if that's the video. I want to continue backtesting though. How come when you move your field plans go? It's based on some mathematics. I don't know. Yeah, this is the one. That's the one. AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, otherwise known as Power 3. I have not watched ICT, just watched D-Trade Standout, Justin, Daji, AM Trades, etc. Okay, let's continue. We have been for way too long. Why am I skipping through this? Looking for this CSD. Good. Respected. Please to hold it. Take a look at the 1 hour. We are in equilibrium of this massive ass candle. Hold on. Still overextending. 3 stack highs, so high resist liquidity. Okay. Lower resist liquidity, my bad. Okay. Some T. 1 minute order block. Holding. Rejection. Nice. That's what I would want to see. Bearish ABS. Bearish order block. Some T. ABS framework. High, low, high. P New York Stock Exchange open accumulation. Okay, 1 hour is unreadable. Let's actually take a look. In OTE of this range. In OTE of this range as well. And most likely in OTE of that range. So stacked OTEs, different ranges. Yeah, I'll take this. Stop loss is massive. It's a TGR stop loss, bro. Crazy. It's actually crazy. Put the stop loss right there. Yeah, I'll take this. Okay, straight to stop loss. Did, however, leave general S&Ts. I still see this playing out. Take liquidity. Triple S&Ts. General S&T and 2 external ones. I want to take this again. Still valid. Let's retry this. Okay. Break even right there. Take off 50%. Huh. Okay. Take out another 50. Let it ride. That's final TP. So with my entries, you're gonna have this like stop rates. Okay, show how you drew the FIB again. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. B leg, high, low. Low is the B leg. You place the FIB right there. Why do you draw the FIB from the wicks sometimes, other times from bodies? Honestly, it should always be from the wicks. If I draw from the bodies, it's just because I'm not focused and don't draw from the wicks. So I did get stopped out. But eventually I got a re-entry. This was a perfect example of a good re-entry. It was exactly what I was. Yeah, you asked this question earlier. I remember. This is an example of a good loss and a good re-entry. So you use ABS in a 1 minute and use high time frame confluence to confirm the entry. Yeah, I also use ABS in a higher time frame, but on backtesting I rarely do. Lost twice, which would be I would. If I lost twice, I would be done for the day. And sometimes even if I lose once, I'll be done for the day. Especially if it's like a bullshit loss, one that I didn't follow my rules with, or something else. Even if after 2 losses, I just hop off the charts. I don't even look for the charts. Main confluences is AMD and ABS for me. Questions? Anticipatory breaker strategy. There are backtesting videos in recording. You can watch that if you want. It's rejecting left as well. Yeah, the 15-minute. Yeah, Will's recording. He's probably not even at this PC right now. Was a premium thumb close, not the breaker? Which one? This one? Or premium? Oh, this one. High, low, high, low, low. That one? It has to be a like an obvious breaker. Like it has to have obvious swing highs and swing lows. So this is an obvious swing high. This is an obvious swing low. This is more than obvious higher high, and then lower low should be obvious as well. PB, Blake's model relies on rejections, and Patrick's model relies on B power of 3, AMD. Let's continue. $15-minute rebalance. Tiny ass 15-minute. A massive order block right there. Do we trade into it? We do. And we reject off of it. Good. Rejection of the 15. Most likely. We did fill the new week opening gap, accumulation at the downside, manipulation to the upside, tap into order block, tap into the 15-minute rebalance. It's likely an OTE with this range. Yeah. More likely OTE with that range. Also, portion block, two order blocks stacked on each other. Rejection, good. See if we can get a move higher up. This is nasty. Oops. Yeah, I don't like this at all. We did respect the. Hold on. High, low, high, high. High, low. I was looking. Okay, so this could be ABS. I do hope we have an external SMT. Yeah, we do. External SMT with what? Previous day. Was it previous day highs? No. No. At least with the swing high, took out liquidity. Take a look at the 1 hour actually. This take liquidity did tap into a massive hourly. Okay. Understood. Looking for this 1 hour CIC to hold. Lower time frame rejection of the 1 minute. Oops. I don't like this that much. Should be like I don't know, B minus, C plus. If I take this. Do have a fuck ton of floors this liquidity though. And an outfield 15. It lines up with the 2 standard deviation. Yeah. I'll take this. I'm gonna stop us at the order block high. Risk is massive though. 213. That's crazy. Okay, I'm risking 2% either way, so. I'll fill 15 right there. OTE, double ranges, proportion blocks. Take out liquidity on the 15. So no SMT. Lower time frame rejection of the 1 minute order block. ABS framework. AMD framework as well. Green New York Stock Exchange open accumulation manipulation to the upside. We are already distributing to the downside. Let's take this. And we need decisive movement to the downside. We'll break even right there. I'll take partials at 1 standard deviation. That's partials. I want to show my stop loss. I'm going to show my stop loss. Right there. That's full TP. Questions? Liam, you gotta add the negative as well. So for 1 standard deviation, you always gotta do you send you can send screenshots in here. Oh yeah, you need positive numbers as well. You need both positive and negative. Do you only take 9:30 trades in AM? No. Everything between 9:30 and 11. There were multiple fair gaps above or below your entry. Would you still take? Yeah, I would. Yeah, Exactly, krabs. Krabs is one of the few people that has actually, I want to say mastered because he actually has mastered it. Has mastered this model that I'm backtesting right now. It's not a set model, it's more trading style, discretionary. Okay, so why you mark the CSD right there? Worst. Pardon me. Was on a 1 hour. Okay, so order block right here, bearish order block. We went up. We took out the rebalance that we had right here. Tapped into it. So tapped into break order block. So this could be seen as taking out liquidity, resting liquidity, and we place lower, break the structure, have a little consolidation around it, and eventually we do respect it, as you can see. I don't know why the model works. I just know it works. You look at the do you look for bias at the high time frame, like daily 4 hour? I do sometimes look at the 4 hour, not always. Almost never at the daily. Yo, does anyone know for MFF, Marfin Futures, if the starter plus plans are still in play? Yeah. And when do these new rules for MFF go in? I hope next month, bro. Okay. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Am I a millionaire yet? Who knows? You record these videos? Yeah, you can watch them if you are in premium. I'm sorry for that. Yeah, they're keeping the 50K starters, but I don't fuck with 50K. Someone just dumped their Bitcoin back. I personally trade only 9:30 to 10:30. There's no point in me using 4 hour and daily, but no, there is. If you wanna, look up the daily profiles. If you wanna take your daily bias to the next point, look up the videos T-Trace has made on daily profiles, like London Judas, New York reversal, London reversal, New York continuation, etc. He has very good videos on those, and he explains it in detail and very well. I recommend you watch that shit. Maybe yes, and webcam. Someone sent the link earlier for ICT's video. And if you join premium, I have loads of backtesting videos and explanatory educational videos on ABS. How much is premium cost? 100 a month. 90 if you use code Aether for the first month. Take a trade with just liquidity receive and OSMT. Yeah. It really depends though. What's this music, bro? Can you explain an order block? Yeah. I'll do that real quick. This is an order block. An order block is simply just a candle. Oh, this is ugly. Hold on. An order block is just a candle. Damn, hold on. I'm tweaking. Okay. So you gotta imagine. This candle is the last up close candle, so you gotta see this shit as a bullish candle. Bullish candle. This is a bearish. This is a bearish example, okay? So we have a up close candle right before a series of obvious like big movements down. So a chart example would be this. You see, we have a green up candle right before a series of down movements. Here, once again, green up candle right before a series of down movements. Portion blocks is just order blocks stacked on each other. So I'm never gonna find one here. Hold on, got an idea. You can see two order blocks stacked on each other. This is the proportion block. Yeah, Will always leaves while recording. Yeah, this is what I mainly trade. Let's continue. Oops. Okay. Okay. Perfect, actually. Hello, hi, SMT, top 15-minute. We tapped into this order block. Yeah, okay. Holding this massive 1 hour. Did not rebalance that range. Let's determine the bias actually. The 15. Huh. Okay. Okay. Got it. Huh. I don't know, to be honest. Anyway, let's just stick to my rules. I'm not sure about this, so I'll wait for an inverse for all you got. In the meantime, we have bearish ABS framework. We are rejecting off of the 15-minute. We are holding this 15-minute as well. Just rebalanced it. I reckon we are in OTE of range as well. Yeah, we are. Also holding this hourly for value gap. Swept 930 liquidity. I really want us to respect this 50 minutes USD. I don't really need to do the FIB here because we haven't. I do not want to wait for the 1.5, but I want to wait for this inverse value gap. The first in the leg. Wait for that and take the trade. Perfect. Perfect close as well. 1 to 2, kind of scuff, but whatever. It's whatever. Could have limit ordered this, but wouldn't have made that much of a difference anyway. Go break even at those lows. Can we take them? Please? Yeah. Break even, take off 50. Let the whole ride. That's full TP. Huh. Only 1 minute here. Okay. S&T's break block seems to hold. Yeah. Okay. Questions about the trade? Yeah, this shit is clockwork. Once you backtest the model and collect so much data on it, like I have, it's gonna be muscle routine, muscle memory. My bad. CSD stands for change in state of delivery. What do you mean by collecting data? Backtesting, forward testing. Just collecting data on your model, how it works. Do you journal your backtesting? No, I don't. I do journal my trades though, my life trades. See you, Noski. I use it anywhere, even in Asia, London, etc. Rarely do you take a trade without an SMT. Almost never. You recap the key things you look for in this model. I don't have a YouTube. Key things in this model: simple accumulation, also pre-New accumulation, manipulation to the upside into the 50-minute CSD, 50-minute rally gap, visual 1 minute, London lows below, bearish bias, ABS framework. So key things is wait for an accumulation zone, wait for ABS framework, high, low, or high, or low. High time frame PDRA, SMT, FIB, projecting off 1.5 or 2. Sometimes you don't need the FIB if you have enough conviction that it will print without the FIB. You can wait for an inverse value gap as well. Targets, accumulation lows, equal lows, equal highs, session highs, session lows, etc. No, I don't know. Like random, small random. Tuesday. Couple more days to go. Any other questions? I've traded ABS for almost 8 months, I think. 8-9 months. I learned it from Aidonomics. Believe it or not. But Aidonomics model is mechanical. Mine is discretionary. So if you want to learn this exact model, I just suggest you join Premium. You watch it now. I've never watched a full video of ICT. Never in my life. And I refuse to do it. ABS definitely elevated my RR and my win rate by a lot. I have watched like videos on ICT concepts, but ICT himself now. It's just 2 hours of yap for 30 minutes of fucking actual sauce. Yeah, that's my main model. I have a 3 p.m. model. I have a London model, but low key, the London model is low key ass. 3 p.m. model is cooking, but I'm still developing it. You can watch T Trades, Danda, Dachi, Justin, AM Trades. The two most important people are going to be T Trades and Danda. Daji, I mean, it's Daji. Yeah, this is my AM PM model. T Trades, I'll type it out. T Trades, Daji, AM Trades, Justin, Verlaine, Danda. You're going to find in his premium arsenal. Or you can find it in premium. You're already in premium, so. I want to yap with you guys, but I want to finish these days first. So let's continue. People in premium know how much I love to yap about anything. So let's get this out of the way first. Drop some more stars. And I'll answer questions you have about psychology, yap about anything, to be honest. Take a look at the hourly. Deze sterk ook kanker. Okay. Let's take a look how 9:30 opens. Open low. High close. Huh. Weird. Huh. Okay. Change up the song a little bit. I don't know. I have a turtle soup right there. Hope we can respect that. We do. Low, high, low, low. Painful. Premier New York Stock Exchange open accumulation manipulation to the downside. Okay. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Huh. I don't like this PA. But I want to be bullish. I want to be bullish. I want to wait for that inverse. Final confirmation. I'm gonna limit order. Confluence for the trade. No SMT, unfortunately. Confluence for this trade. Equal lows. Never mind. Wait for these equal lows again. I don't like how we are trading. Okay. Maybe I should have taken it. No SMT at the top. That's great. Ten AM is generating. Holy chop fest, bro. This is crazy. Why am I on the 5 minute here? I'm gonna re-sweep of these lows or an SMT with these lows. Preferably an SMT and sweep. I got neither. Holy fucking chop fest. Do we have FOMC? No. This is crazy. Go to 3 p.m. See. Okay. Great. Wait till get a 3 p.m. high rate first. So it's an open high low close model. We'd be looking for shorts. Bearish day as well. So accumulation right before 3 p.m. open. 3 p.m. manipulates up. Still too early to tell. I want to clear operator. It goes down late. Chicago, westbound. Is this day, bro? Such as conditions. Okay. I suspect we had earnings or something. We were generating liquidity for. Whatever. Questions about what? No, I risk. I'm risking 2% on this session. Yeah, normally I do risk 1%. I don't have a streaming schedule. I just stream whenever I feel like it. How long have I been trading? 2.5 years. Yeah, it's a patience lesson there. And how you usually stream for? What do you mean? What are the times you should avoid trading, like when it's expected to be choppy? Sessions before big impact news like FOMC, NFP, CPI. So like if you have an NFP later in the day, you shouldn't trade Asia or London. You could, but it's not recommended. Bank holidays, if we have a huge fucking Asia range, so if Asia just displaces like crazy. What else? What else? Yeah, that's it, to be honest. And if we're like, if you have an unclear bias, and also if the daily objective has been met. So for example, if you're using daily profiles, if a London high or low or Asia high or low has been taken, you can expect, if like the daily objective of a daily profile has been met, you can expect some accumulation / choppy conditions. How long? How long? How long will it? How long do I stream for? I don't know, 2-3 hours most of the time. It consists of 1 hour of backtesting and the other hour of just yapping, talking with chat. I do not know Pat. I mean, I know him to a personal level, but I haven't met them yet. I'll probably meet them later this year. Can I explain what the framework from your checklist also 3 derivative high as lows? I don't get what you mean. Like the framework? Framework is pretty simple. You have a high, low, higher high, and you can expect us to go lower, okay? So high, low, higher high, tap into a high repeat array, leave an SMT at the highest, reject the 1.5 standard deviation. Ideally, you'd want some accumulation. It's so ugly, but whatever. Ideally, you'd want some accumulation right before the manipulation uplift forms the APS framework, and time has to align as well. So, for example, this would be, I don't know, fucking 9:30 open. So time has to align as well. Did you watch to learn? If you didn't like, I watched it like T trades, then the AM trades, Dodgy, Justin. Let's continue with the last day. CPI. That's why we were generating so much liquidity. No, whatever. Did highs and lows have been taken out? Yeah. Just 2 KPA, bro. Okay. Fuck. I just missed an entry. High, low, higher, high. Could go lower. Pretty sure this rejects LP 1.5 standard deviation as well. It does perfectly as well. Sweep of this low. No SMTs, I think. No SMT. Oh, yes. SMT. Oh, that's crazy. It's just setup missed. Whatever. Ours is liquidity 3, drive 1, drive 2, drive 3, drive high, low, higher, high. SMT of the highs. Internal SMT. External SMT. ABS framework. Mini accumulation right before the distribution to the upside. Holding this order block with this bullshit ass line. Holding this order block, massive order block. 15 OB minus swept liquidity, of course. So CSD, 15-minute CSD as well. Everything is stacking up. So with the 1 hour, determine our bias there. Doesn't seem like a hijack from OTE to me. I think we're at least in equilibrium of this range though. OTE even. We tapped into OTE. Okay. Go to the 5-minute. Are we in OTE of this range? We are in OTE of that range. So this liquidity, SMT with semi-data highs, strong liquidity, holding the 15-minute order block, holding the 15-minute CSD, ABS framework, mini accumulation zone, lower resistance liquidity, and a 3 drive. It's a mouthful. What it means is that we're going to dump. One good rejection candle, or not. Good. That's better. This SMT held. This one didn't. Couple of hours. Beautiful thing. See, actually. Take it to this. Good. Place order. 5-minute late Mac model as well for people who know. I'm gonna get stopped? No. Can I switch time frames, please? Okay, I'll break even here actually. I'll take 50 out. Inverse this 5-minute. So we should see displacement to the downside. And that's it right there. See if I had a perfect close. Of course I didn't. Well, whatever. We did respect the breaker block, so this was a valid breaker block. Yeah. Questions about the trade? Would I rate this setup A+? Nah, A-, because I didn't have to mark out, but I already knew we didn't reject off of 1.5 standard deviation. Says he, 1 minute SMT taking liquidity? Indeed. Yeah. Yeah. On your marker CSD, just on the order block low or high. Would you take a trade if there's an SMT? No, I wouldn't. The SMT and what makes an SMT so powerful, especially in ICT trading, is that you can combine it with other PDAs. I would almost never take a trade without anything else like backing it up, because there are hundreds of SMTs presenting themselves on a daily basis, but the SMTs that hold, I guarantee you at least 95% of them are aligned with other PDAs, order blocks, CISDs, liquidity sweeps, etc., etc. Fair value gaps, I don't fucking know. Based on what did you choose the TP level? Oh, I wanted to switch time frames. Well, for starters, the 15-minute rebalance that we had here. And secondly, this low was within the 1 hour. And it was also below this 1 hour low. I didn't want to take it to this 1 hour, so I chose something in the middle. I thought this 1 hour was a little too ambitious, but whatever. Did happen in, can you show me the 15 minutes, guys? Where is it? Okay, this is the 15 minute CISD. As you can see, order block here. We have a series of up candles. You can see we take out this liquidity here. We for sure take out other liquidity as well. You can see we tap into this massive order block. That's the liquidity in the stock as well. Eventually, we, trade back to it, have a quote unquote market structure shift. First, we respected once, we respected twice, we respected 3 times. And as you can see, I benefited off of that. Okay, you also use /look for, yeah. And new week opening gap, new day opening gap are really, really strong drawn liquidities. CSD marking at the bottom, yeah. If it's a bearish candle, yes. If it's a bullish candle, you should mark it at the top. Faded you today, Ozzy, bro. Everyone faded me today. Everyone faded me today. Okay, explain when and why you mark the CIZ. When is pretty simple. When I see it, and why is because it acts as a support / resistance. When was it created? I don't fucking know when it was created. Or are you talking about this CIZ when it was created? Wednesday, 11:15. Doesn't matter when it's created though. This is also a high time frame CIZ. If you look at the 1 hour or not. 30-minute, yeah, it's in the 30-minute. 1 hour, it's not in 1 hour because we don't have any down close candles. It's on the 15-minute and the 30-minute. You can also have it at the 5-minute, as you can see, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, everything below the 30-minute. So how it works, yeah, if it like disrespects the order block, this becomes a CSD. CSD is basically an order block turned CSD. But the distinct difference between a order block disrespected and an order block turned CISD is that the series of up close candles following the order block needs to take out liquidity. Use ABS combined with open high low close or open? Yeah, I do. Just before 11. Oh, you mean like that? I don't really care about that, to be honest. Because most of the time, candle opens, especially hourly candle opens. If my draw is correct, the 1 hour candle will expand towards the draw. Doesn't matter if it's internal or external SMT. Ideally, you'd want to see both. So an internal SMT and then an external SMT. For example, if you have, here, if we had an internal here, but we didn't, this would make it higher rated. So internal here and then external with this London high or pre-market high. CISD is an order block. Yeah, it needs to be an order block. It's basically a market structure shift with an correlated to an order block. Like CISD is early MSS. Yeah, but it's stronger in my opinion. Like Blake said today in his life, you first have CISD, then you have an inverse volume gap, then you have a market, then you have a market structure shift, and then you have a breaker structure. No, it's not. It's not the same as Blake. He does, however, take trades that align with my model sometimes, but he isn't actively looking for it. Let's also take a look at the statistics. Analytics. Okay, 87%, 87.5% were right. 8 trades taken total, 1 loser, 0 break-even trades, average RR of 2.79, max RR of 5. Risk, I did risk 2% every trade consistently. Average win is 3.89. Average loss is 1.8. Consistent results always between the 3 and 7. Just consistent results. 1 trade a day, 1 trade every day. This was the trade where I lost, and I took the re-entry. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this backtesting video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, don't forget to join BB. You can add me in free chat, or if you are in premium, you can add me in premium. I hope to see you in the next one. Yeah, good night.